So if you don't want to retire, that's your business. But if you do want to retire, well, that's our business. One of them, actually. So bankingtruths.com is historically known for showing people how to re-engineer life insurance products to build your own private bank with. But before I was sharing this free information online, I was a traditional financial planner until I realized that this model was failing all but my wealthiest clients. Those who could afford to pay some ongoing financial planning fee and still have enough left over to build a big enough nest egg to where they could just scrape interest only in retirement and not have to worry about running out of money. And it doesn't have to be that way. By incorporating these same life insurance products to be your own bank, you can actually better insulate yourself from taxation and make less market-based assets spend like more on a guaranteed basis. And that's exactly what we're going to be talking about in this webinar that you can access at bankingtruths.com/retire. That's bankingtruths.com/retire, and I hope to see you there.